SV Squad, Happy New Year to everyone. We are at my brother's house, just had some dinner, had a barbecue. Siosi's outside and Chrissy in the background. So we've got some pasta salad, corn, coleslaw, barbecue. Siosi and I brought that one. That's why we're so late. They come, of course.
What's the thing you brought?
What thing?
That thing. Was it it?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was free. Oh, see you guys.
Yep. And it's kind of pretty hot, to be honest. Playing now.
Basketball?
2K.
Yeah, 2K14. I'm winning at the moment.
Okay.
It's Aso more.
Us more.
Yeah.
And who?
And also I'm Rockets and he's Rockets and
Oh yeah, true story.
And he's Warriors.
True story, mate.
Bye. Big.
Hi, Haley.
Hi. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Hello, little Moni. Say Happy New Year to everyone. Eddie? Say Happy New Year to everyone.
Hi guys.
Okay, so Happy New Year, everyone. Zaya, tell everyone about your animals. Are you gonna tell them? What happened to your dinosaur's tail?
Let's get started.
This is the one Auntie got you from Singapore. You love dinosaurs? I'm not feeling well. I've got gastro. And I went to the doctor's today. He confirmed it. My tummy hurts. Darnell, have you ever had gastro before?
Yeah, I got guys right now.
Look at these doctor wannabes.
Yeah.
When did you guys get your degree, huh?
We got 20 years ago. We got 2017.
What, from St. Eddie's in year 4 and 5?
Yep. No, we got it 1972. Yep.
You weren't even born then.
Yeah, we were.
Neither was your mum. Look who's back,
Come on,
Look, Zara!
Big man.
Big man. Good.
Hello, Biggie. He wants to play with the toys. Big man's back from his holiday. Hello, Biggie. Say hello, everyone. Hello. Kissy? Kai.
Oh yeah, I know, right? Evan, Siva. Yeah, go Evan. Yeah.
Hi, everyone. Happy New Year. I'm just at my mom and dad's house. I'm making bangi popo. My hands are very dirty. Siosi's outside. You want to say hello?
Hey.
Say hi, everyone.
Hey, Kai.
Siosi's outside helping my dad with some food. My hands smell like yeast. Hey, So-So. Happy New Year from us to everyone. Pretty busy, aren't we, Annie?
Yeah.
So I've got my yeast here. I'm about to mix it up with the flour. I've got a dough rising here. I'm waiting for it to rise. It's pretty much almost double in size. And then I've got my bangi popos cooking down here. I just want to turn it down a bit because it's a bit hot. We finally got their presents. My hands are still yeasty. Seriously, Mom, why would you show him that? Go put it down over there.
This big person?
No, yeah, these two. that? Did you bring the batteries?
Yep.
What about yours? How's your dragon going? Yeah. We'll see. So that yeah. Kaya umalapi siya. Bubbles!
What? Yes. Bubbles.
What? I just finished cooking first batch. Apparently I passed the test according to my dad. And I got the last one cooking. And Mom still wants some. And there's the other one. There's the other one. And yeah, my parents are demolishing the other one. You put that for Sia. I passed the test.
You passed the test?
Yep, just. He said I just passed. We're currently on our way to my cousin's house to have a family feast there. And yep, for New Year. So Happy New Year to everybody.
Happy New Year, everyone. Families, friends, and our subscribers. Our loyal subscribers.
Yep.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
And finally, now that we've got our Mac, we'll be able to post a lot more videos. I'm really hoping to do a lot more challenges. My pangi popos turned out so delish. And why can't I talk today? My dad was really pleased with them. He said that I passed the test. Are you happy? Are you proud of me, babe?
Yeah.
I'm with my girls, my cousins, and I'm with my sister here. She's got the African hair. And Sia. I'm just editing my vlog. Go sing. Okay then.
Ready?
No.
Alright, Shaw, you put your hand.
I'm not singing.
What, just sing? Oh yeah, Shaw doesn't sing.
No, Cool's got a nice voice. Cool.
Yeah, but she doesn't want to sing.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, you have me. Can't say.
Oh, you can't sing. I'm gonna stink it up by my.
Vicky, I hate your camera. Put it away.
I'm gonna leave the cover. We're gonna be singing Draw Me Nearer. And alright, guys, who's a tenor, who's an alto, who's a soprano?
Imaros.
And what are you? You're the corner. You're Malu.
Who's gonna be Malu?
Fantas girls or Thunder girls?
I'll be the two Fanta girls and the maid. And the maid pretty.
Oh yeah, thunderous and thunders. Oh yeah, thunder thighs. Okay, so what do you guys need help with?
Oh, we don't need it.
Oh my gosh, my hair. Oh, my battery's gonna die.
Heart in the heavens, you stretch out your hand. My faith made to stand is for you.
I just want everyone to lift their hands in this place. Ew! Sasu. Ciossi thinks that's crumping.